Hello guys, how are you? So today we are starting with part 10, cell division of biology chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. So this is the last part of our chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life. And this is the easiest topic of this chapter, okay? So before starting with cell division, I would like to explain that yes. See, we know that new cells arise from pre-extinct cells. Yes, we know this. So, the old cell divides to form new cells. Okay, this we know. Okay. So, whenever whenever any cell divides into two to form new cells, first the nucleus will divide. Okay, when any cell divides, the nucleus of that cell will divide first. Okay, so here this is one cell. Okay, this is one cell. Okay, now wait, I would like to change color. Now whenever cell divides, this is round like nucleus. Okay, so this way the structure will be of nucleus. Okay, dividing structure. Okay, step by step explanation. Then two cells will be formed. Okay, so these are this is one cell dividing and two cells. Okay, so whenever any cell divides, the nucleus of that cell will divide first. Okay, some may be knowing this. So let us start with our topic, that is cell division. The process by which new cells are made is known as cell division. Okay, the process by which new cells, like now I have explained the division of two cells, so this is called cell division. Okay, so basically there are two main types of cell division, and what are they? Mitosis and meiosis. Okay, this is new term for us to learn, so let us learn carefully. Okay, let us understand this concept very easily and carefully. So basically two main types of cell division are mitosis and meiosis. Okay, the process of cell division by most of the cells divide for growth is called meiosis. Okay, the process of cell division means any cell divides to form new cells. That process is known as mitosis, and mitosis process is used by most of the cells. Okay, so the process of cell division by most of the cells divide for growth is called mitosis. Any cell divide to form new cells, and this process is used by most of the cells in our body for growth is known as mitosis. Okay, now what is in this process, mitosis? Now we will study. Okay, in this process each cell called mother cell divides to form two identical daughter cells. Okay, there is one cell, okay, mother cell, then it divides into two. Okay, into two identical means same as mother cell. Okay, each one mother cell is there and it divides into two identical daughter cell. The daughter cells have the same number of chromosomes as mother cell. Okay, suppose if in mother cell 4 chromosomes are there. Okay, and the two identical daughter cells will also have 4 chromosomes in each. Okay, it helps in growth and repair of tissues in organisms. Okay, this process, this division helps in growth and repair of tissues in organisms. Okay, so this was the mitosis process. Okay, what is mitosis? The process of cell division by which most of the cell divide for growth is known as mitosis. And what is this process? In this process, one mother cell is there and it divides into two identical daughter cells. And suppose if mother cell has 4 chromosomes, the two identical daughter cell will also have 4 chromosomes in each of them respectively. Okay, and this process, this cell division helps in growth and repair of tissues in organisms. That's it. Okay, so here is the image of mitosis process. Here you can see that one mother cell is there and there are 4 chromosomes in it. Okay, and when this cell divides, it divides into two identical cells. Okay, two identical cells. Here you can see that two identical cells are there and they are also having 4 chromosomes in each of them respectively. Okay, so this is the mitosis process. Okay, so I hope you are clear with mitosis process. Okay, now we have learned mitosis. Now coming to meiosis. What is meiosis? Okay, specific cells of reproductive organs or tissues in animals or plants divide to form gametes which after fertilization give rise to offspring. Yes, we know this, that special reproductive organs or tissues in plants and animals divide to form gametes and which after fertilization give rise to offspring. Okay, and this process is known as meiosis. Okay, they divide by different processes called meiosis, which involves two consecutive divisions. Okay, so in mitosis only one cell division is there. Okay, like from mother cell to only one step is there. From mother cell divides two identical daughter cells. So you can see that only one step. Okay, one step is there of cell division. And in meiosis there are two steps of cell division. Okay, that we will see in image. Okay, so when a cell divides by meiosis, it produces 4 cells instead of just 2. Okay, like here in mitosis only 2 cells, only 2 identical cells are produced, and in meiosis 4 cells will produce. Okay, 4 cells are going to be produced. Okay, the new cells only have half the number of chromosomes than that of mother cells. Okay, so in mitosis we have seen that identical cells will be produced, but in meiosis the new daughter cells will have the half number of chromosomes than that of mother cells. Okay, so what is meiosis? This is the process where two consecutive divisions are there, two steps of cell division. And when this happens, that we know that specific organs or tissues in animals or plants divides to form gametes and after fertilization give rise to offspring. Okay, so this process is known as meiosis, and there are two steps of cell division in meiosis. Okay, then the cell divides by meiosis. It produces 4 cells instead of just 2. Okay, in mitosis we have seen that only 2 cells are produced in one step. Okay, and here 4 cells will be produced. And we have also seen in mitosis that the cells produced will have same the number of chromosomes as mother cell, but in meiosis the new daughter cells will have the half the number of chromosomes than that of mother cells. Okay, so here you can see first of all that 2 steps of cell divisions are there. Okay, one mother cell, 4 chromosomes, divides in 2 cell. Okay, divides in 2 cell, and they are having one cell, they are having 2 chromosomes in each respectively. Okay, this is first step. Okay, then in second step these 2 cells will further divide into 4. Okay, these 2 cells will further divide into 4 new daughter cells, and each cell would be having only 1 chromosomes. Okay, only 1 chromosome. So here you can see the difference that here 4 chromosomes are there and it divides in half. Okay, here 4 and half is 2. Okay, half is 2. So 4 half 2 and 2 half is 1. Okay, 2 half is 1. So here 2 steps. This is the this is the first step and this is the second step. Okay, 2 steps are there and here 4 are there and here 2 are there. Okay, so half 4 half 2 and 2 half, that is 1. Okay, so 2 steps and half the number of mother cells. Okay, so I hope you are clear with meiosis also, and you are clear with this full topic cell division. Okay, so here we have completed the chapter. Okay, biology chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. I hope you will understand full chapter very easily. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please write in comment section and I will definitely reply to all. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. And yes, hit the bell icon to so you get more upcoming videos. Okay, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, see you soon.